In this video, we'll teach you how to get Walmart orders on Uber Eats. But in the beginning, I will tell you that this is only supported in some specific regions and it's not supported in all of the regions. But basically, I will show you the instruction what you need to do to get the Walmart orders on Uber Eats. So to get the orders from Uber Eats, first of all, you need to make sure that Shop and Deliver is enabled in your Uber Eats driver app. So you need to open your Uber driver app. You need to click your profile photo in the top right corner. You need to go to the account, go to the work hub, and you need to go to the preferences. In the preferences, you need to click on trip types or deliveries, and you need to make sure that shop and deliver function is toggled on, guys. In some cities, it might be called shop and pay or shop orders. So this is how it looks like. You need to toggle this on, shop and deliver orders. So go to the preferences and toggle this button on. After that, you will receive the orders from Walmart, and I will tell you how it works. You need to go to the Walmart, you need to buy the products that is ordered, and you need to deliver it to the customer. So that's how you can enable Walmart orders on your Uber Eats. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.